to Mount Evans to Summit Lake. We have a day pass to get in, and Sam's driving his rental van, so I get to relax and just take video of the whole trip. Come along. This is the chilly up here. on the summit between the two valleys. Idaho Springs, and they have a super good pizza place here.
I heard a ringing bell this morning, and it woke me from a dream.
I want to thank you for watching my videos. It takes a lot of time to put these together. Yeah, Tokyo knows. And don't rub against the camera, Tokyo. One way you could thank me and really help me out, let's say you're watching my video, you're watching along, and you decide you want to like it. What you do is you hit the enter button on your remote twice, and that pauses the video. Then you hit the up arrow, and then you come over, and there you can click the like button and then like it. That's how you do it on the TV. On the computer and on your cell phone, it's much easier because the thumbs up is right below. Now, if you want to subscribe then you come back here and you click on channel, and then you can subscribe. If you want to watch it later, you can click save. Hope you'll like it and subscribe. I appreciate your help, and thank you. Bye. I'm getting ready to go to see a concert. This group is called Porcupine Tree. I've liked them for probably 30 years. And about 10 years ago, the band broke up. I thought I'd never see them again. And recently they got back together and they're on a tour. And so Rob, my son, is going to go with me. This group is prog rock. We're going to go downtown. We're going to take the train.
Next stop, Lakewood Watch.
I was saying to Joanna, because she was like, yeah, I knew this would kick those people out.
So we're waiting at the dump station, getting ready to head out of Colorado, and we're heading south. Gotta go through Pueblo and down to Springer, New Mexico. We made it here to Springer, New Mexico. That's the office for the campground, and they have a sign on the door that says just leave the money in the slot. It only has maybe 20 slots, and ours is a 30 amp. But we have water and we have sewer for $25 a night. And the reason I didn't stay down here in the 30 is because of these trees. So that's pretty much it of the Springer Santa Fe RV Park. I'm glad I got that other 4-foot extension on that Starlink pole, because that put it up just high enough to be over this tree. All right, we just loaded up here in Springer. Ton of work. Jeez, had the thing jacked up, had to put those blocks underneath because we were angled. Had to empty the water, and this is all just for one night, which we usually do 2 nights. And now we're heading down the road. We're gonna go off at 25 and take a 2-lane road down to Corona, New Mexico. And there we're gonna boondock for the night. We don't boondock very often, so this will be interesting. And we'll give you more details as we get there.
Show you fell for me, I fell too.
we're boondocking just outside of Corona, New Mexico. We got a pretty good little spot here. Nobody else showed up, so it's pretty private. It's a group area. So it's kind of wide open. And got some pretty skies over there behind me. So I'm pretty happy. Cooled down to 68 degrees, so we put on sweaters and jackets. Just going for a little walk, enjoying the evening here.